Hey guys, how's it going? Project is starting. I'm very excited about it. We have to take the fence down. So I made a mistake and I had said that the project was starting tomorrow in the last video, which would be today. And that's not the case. Got my days mixed up. It's actually starting tomorrow. But what we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna take the fence down, and then I need to finish clearing out my mess here. Also, we took the siding off the house and found an issue, and then they will be here first thing in the morning to start ripping everything out. And I'm not exactly sure how it's gonna go, but they're gonna start tomorrow, which will be in this video still, but we have to wait. So yesterday we cleared out all of the ferns in this area, and then today, and then later that evening, Brent and I came through. We took off the siding on the house, and we took off the trim because the patio is going to be kind of raised up, and then right up against the foundation, the house here, there's going to be a really long step that's basically the whole length of the house, because eventually we would like to move the door. So we want to get a new door, but we want the door to be in the center here. And so that way inside we can do like counter space on this side of the wall, because right now we can't do anything on there. So we're going to just do a whole step, the whole length of this. And then that way I can also put like plants and things like that, yada, yada, yada up there. And it's going to be just kind of the depth of a single step, maybe a little bit deeper than that is. So we tore all of this off. Oh, slight issue. Yeah, dry rot right here. So that's, super good. We're gonna have to fix that, but we're gonna do that when we tear all the siding off. And hopefully in the next year, we will be able to get all of the siding off of the house. And then that's when we're gonna replace all of that, because that needs to happen. But for now, we're taking the fence down. Taking the fence and the gate. All of this needs to come off. We've got some electrical in there. That needs to come off. Yeah, so let's get to work taking this down. Oh, and last night I did get all of the metal edging up. So I took it all off. I made a pile. We're going to put this behind the shed, so that way we can reuse this for any other spots that we decide that we need to do some landscape edging. So off to work we go. Also, I'm wearing really short shorts today, so make sure you compliment my legs. We got the first part of the fence down. We still have to take out the 2x4 that are there. There's 2 of them on this side. So we'll get those taken out. I actually might leave them and have the guys just take them out, because they're going to have heavy equipment. But we'll take off all the boards on this side. And then we have to redo some plumbing in this area. Totally forgot about it. The water. So what was happening is it ran from the solenoid over there, and then it ran over this way. And then it came across the walkway, because we had it tap into the pot. And then it came over this way. And then it teed right here, and it fed the whole line of our espalier. And then it went down this way, and that's what fed this bed all the way back. So when we redo this, what we're going to do is we're going to run it so it directly connects over. So it'll be under the walkway here, and then it'll come up. And then we will have black poly that just sits on top of the pavement over here, which isn't that big of a deal at all. And then it'll come through the fence, and that's what's going to feed the espalier here. And then it'll feed that bed on that side, and then we'll have it so it taps in with a 1/4 inch to feed the pot right there. And then all of that bed will be taken care of. And that'll be a lot better for irrigation anyways, because it was kind of like spaghettied up in this area, which is not good. So we're gonna get back to work, finish this fence, and then we just wait for these guys to get here tomorrow, which is very exciting. the front fence is down. So now we just wait for these guys to get here. And then the fence is actually going to come up, and so we're adding more space to the back area. So the fence is going to be here. So I got to also take out this one diamond espalier right there, and I got to take out that one plant. But then we'll actually have more room back here. Then our trash cans will fit back here better, and it'll just kind of make for a better entrance into the back area. So we're going to gain some space back there. We're going to lose a little bit of space in the driveway, but we are totally okay with losing a little bit of space here. And then we are going to have them take out these posts right here. There are 5 posts, and it was funny. We noticed when we bought the house, we put a fence up pretty quickly, and we put the fence up and then we painted the house. And this is the old color of our house. We called our house Dead Mannequin Skin because this is what it looked like. It's like it looks like a mannequin, but like a dead mannequin. It's not great. So we painted the house white. And this was just a temporary thing because we knew eventually we want to replace all the siding anyways. Not this year though. So it's exciting that the fence is down, but now we just wait. So they will be here first thing in the morning tomorrow, which is very, very exciting. Very, very, very excited to get this done. Hopefully they're okay with taking these out. I didn't ask them, but I'm sure that they will be because they're gonna have big equipment. Medium equipment. Somebody made fun of me because I called their equipment big last time.
Eso. Bájenlo. 3. Vámonos, 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 vámonos. Bajemos. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sí, es que son fáciles. 2, 3. Okay.
The next morning, and they just got here, and they got here. I was just getting out of the shower. They got here very early in the morning. You can see the garden isn't even lit up, but they just moved the gazebo. That thing is so heavy. Honestly, I was shocked that 4 of them were able to do it. Yeah, it was 4 of them, and they got that thing moved. So very proud of them for doing that. They got that done really quickly, but I'm so excited they're here because that means that the project is starting. So I'm going to set up the camera and just let these guys work. I think they're saying that day 1 is probably going to be all of the destruction of the garden. Day 2 is going to be, day 2 and 3 is probably going to be a lot of framing. And then it sounds like day 4 will be kind of finishing everything up. And day 5 is going to be pouring. So this is either going to be a 4-day or a 5-day project. Last time they were here, they did the foundation for our greenhouse. And they said that it was going to be, I think they said it was going to be a 5-day project. And I think they did it in like 3.5 days or something like that. So they work really, really fast. And of course they give a safe estimate. So I'm gonna set you up so you guys can watch this. We're taking up the whole road. took them about 40 minutes to get the patio removed right here, which is so crazy. Brent and I, we were out here watching them, and we were both saying it would have taken us weeks to get the patio removed, and we would have been complaining the entire time. So these guys work so fast. I'm gonna set the camera back up and see what they do now. I think that they're going to be digging everything down, and then they're going to be leveling it. I think that's the next thing that they said they have to do, is making sure that they gotta scrape it all out, because they want to do like a gravel base, and then they want to do something on top of the gravel, and then they can do like the rebar and the framing. I don't know. I'm just so excited. I'm very, very excited. I should know, because they're doing the exact same thing that they did for the greenhouse foundation. That's the end of day one. Very exciting. They came, they took out all of the concrete, they got the patio area leveled, and then they started to get some of the board in, and they got the step framed. Let me turn the camera around to show you guys. We kind of played with the design a little bit. Once they marked everything out, we did end up moving a few things, but it looks really, really good. I'm gonna walk through and show you guys right now, because it's exciting. So this is going to be the new patio area. We're gaining a lot of space. And then we messed up when we did our bed here. So the old bed used to run right here. And they were like, yeah, that's not square with the house. And we're like, ooh. So they fixed it. So the patio will be square with the house. We'll have to end up changing out this bed a little bit. We'll come in to match the size of the patio. You can see, so there's gonna be a step down to the gravel right here. And then there's going to be a step up into the house. They have this starting to get framed out. And then they have to put in some more boards and like around the side and everything. And then they'll put It's going to be one really long step. So it's going to be a step the whole length of the house back here. And my thought was we're going to eventually move the door kind of to the center. We're going to get rid of that window. We want to put it in 2 windows, and then I could flank it with like really big, nice, large containers. I thought that would be really pretty. And then it'll all just kind of be on a really nice step. And then the patio is going to go all the way out to the same size there, but we are gaining quite a bit of room over on this side. I think we're gaining a little over a foot. I'm gonna go, this is the world's longest train. I think we're gaining about a foot here, which is really nice to be able to have that more extra space. And then it's gonna make it so that the gazebo is further away from the house just by another foot, which will be really good. And then over here, they haven't done the walkway yet, but they've got to scrape all of this. And then the walkway is going to be 4 feet wide, because you guys know I love a really wide walkway, so both of us like can walk through, which is really nice. This is going to be the line on this side. This is going to be the line on that side. The original line that they had marked was here, and then I think it was like over here, and I told them, no, let's go this way further, so they moved it. This is going to be a rounded corner, and then that's also going to be a rounded corner. And then we're going to do the cement. This was the original line that they drew, which stopped at this espalier right here, and I was like, I don't like that. It's too far forward. So we took out one of the diamonds just now, and it's gonna stop, and it's gonna stop right here. This is the old fence, and so we obviously need to redo it. When we built this fence, we built it in a really big hurry. We at that time didn't have great neighbors, and so we just quickly threw up a fence. And so now that we have good neighbors, we will redo all of this once the patio is done. But the new fence is going to go in right here, so we're gaining this much space back there, which is perfect for like our garbage cans and things like that. And then this bed over here, I had it originally, the tree was in the gravel, and then so the bed was on this side. They're going to make it so that the bed is on this side of the tree. So the patio is going to go here, and then a rounded corner, and then a really, I think it's going to be about pinky distance like that, straight down. And then this walkway is going to be a step down from the patio. So you'll walk here, and you'll step up to the patio. And then, yeah, I'm very excited about it. So it's coming along. So this is where we say goodbye today. They were here bright and early. They were here about 7 o'clock in the morning, getting to work. And then they're gonna be back tomorrow morning, first thing, getting to work again. So it's coming along. It's very exciting. They're mowing down plants, which is perfect because I told them that they can mow down all the plants, and it's coming along. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. We're doing the patio renovation. We're doing the patio renovation. I cannot believe it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. 2026, here we go. Bye guys.